Setting a background image with React Inline styles. I'm trying to access a static image to use within an inline background image property within React. Unfortunately, I've run up dry on how to do this. Generally, I thought you just did as follows. This works for img tags. Can someone explain the difference between the two? Example, img source equals bracket background bracket comma works just fine. Thank you. The curly braces inside background image property are wrong. Probably you are using Webpack along with image files loader, so background should be already a string. Background image, URL, plus background plus. You can also use ES6 string templates as below to achieve the same effect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.